Have you ever wanted to tech out your bathroom or your shower? With this product I have here, you can do just that. Let's take a look. Hey guys, Onion Man here, and today we got a product that is gonna be used in your bathroom. It's a Bluetooth speaker, which actually sticks to the inside of your shower, right on the acrylic or tile. It has a suction cup. It just kind of sticks on. It's called the GenTek S4 wireless shower speaker. It hooks up through Bluetooth with your smartphone, and it's also water resistant. Now on the back it says waterproof design. The speaker is IPX4 waterproof, so you can safely mount it in the shower. So I guess that IPX4 is a safety rating for, I guess, waterproofing. You can use it in the swimming pool or a boat, and you don't have to worry about splashes, and also the shower, obviously. Awesome audio, brilliant bass, and on-unit controls. So it has the controls on the unit itself, so you don't have to worry about always having your phone with you in the shower or close by on the toilet or on a shelf somewhere. Stuff that's included within this speaker is the speaker itself, the S4 wireless speaker, micro USB charging cable, and the user manual. So yeah, this is the front of the box, and let's take a look at this. Let's open this up. See if I can get this open here. Forgot to grab a knife. Well, it looks like we're gonna be able to get the sticker off, which is awesome. Let's take that off here, and let's just open up this flap. Okay, so what do we all have here? So that's it for the box, nothing in there. So we got the user manual, S4 Bluetooth shower speaker. Just all your different safety stuff there. And then you have your little mini USB cable, which is very, very small. You're probably going to want to have a extension on this, unless you have a plug that's like right beside this thing. But this thing is like six inches long. It's not very long at all, but it is a proprietary end, so you can't just use any USB. You have to use like a extension cable on this end, which kind of sucks, but whatever. And then we got the speaker itself. So we got the power button, the forward and back, I guess, to change your different tracks. You got a play and pause button in the middle. Then you have your calling button here to answer calls and, I guess, disconnect calls. And then you have the suction cup on the back here. I guess sticks to your shower. Technically you can stick it to anything. You can stick it to a desk like this. It sticks fairly nice as well. It sticks really well. Okay. Yeah, it sticks. The suction cup sticks. You also got your port here for your controls, which is really interesting why it's open. I don't know if I trust that. That's very interesting. Okay. Well, either way, let's see if we can turn this on and hook it up to the Bluetooth. Okay, so basically you just hold in the power button and it'll turn on. There's a little blue light in there, and then I guess basically you just pair that to your Bluetooth on your phone and then you're good to go. I'm gonna go use this in my shower. I'm gonna test it out, and then I will get back to you guys and let you know how it sounds, and we'll go from there. So I tested out the speaker here. Yeah, it works fairly well. One downside is the fact that it doesn't have a volume control on the unit itself. Would have been nice to have the volume on here as well, just so you can turn the volume up and down from here. You kind of just have to set it on your phone and then just go with that. It doesn't get super loud, so it's not too bad, but it still would have been nice to have it on here. And I also just don't like this power cable slot here where it's open like this. You can get water inside there. I don't know. Maybe there's some protective stuff inside there. I don't know. But the way it looks, I'm kind of eerie on that. But other than that, it's actually not bad. The sound is okay. It's not like any crazy bass or anything, but also it is a very cheap speaker, and it was like, what was it, like $20, I think? So you're not gonna expect tons and tons of great quality bass and great sound on a $20 speaker. So you get what you pay for. But other than that, it seems to be okay. It's good enough for listening in the shower for like 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes, whatever. One thing I did forget to do is just kind of show you guys how it connects.
Bluetooth connected.
So it actually tells you when it's connected, which is really nice. So you don't have to guess if it's actually connected, or some devices they just don't connect properly, so you never know really. This one it actually tells you, which is really awesome. So yeah, that is the GenTek S4 wireless speaker. Once again, I will put a link in the description if I can find one. And as always, guys, hit that like button if you like this video. Also, subscribe to the channel. I would appreciate it. And I will see you guys soon.